door. And Reagan is the attention manager. May I have your attention, please? Thank you, Millie. Next we have Caps. Caps. Hi, my name is Amaya. These are the caps. We collect the caps to keep the environment safe. Thank you, Amaya. Then we have Liberty.
Hi, my name is Liberty, and I also wanted to say welcome families. In this video, I'm going to show you our class schedule, and it's very important because I'm going to walk you through the whole day. And I'm going to share our class schedule now. Our class schedule is 8 o'clock to 8:20 is prepare for the day, and in other words, it also means we write in our planner, and we also do AM announcements. That means that we turn our objectives into goals. 8:20 to 9:20 is ELA session 1, and we do the Reader's Workshop. The Reader's Workshop is lots of things that help you practice, and 9:20 to 9:40 is AM break. AM break is we go outside our classroom and have a break, eat snack, and have talk time. 9:40 to 10:05 is ELA session 2, Writer's Workshop. And it's also the same as ELA session 1. 10:05 to 11:15 is math session 1. And math session 1 is a warm-up, which also we dive into our lesson. And 11:15 to 12:05 is lunch recess, where we go to the cafeteria and then we eat lunch, we pick up and go to recess. 12:05 to 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock is math session 2. And we do our
math fluency
games. 1 o'clock to 1:45 is social science and science. Science is we usually do science and investigation, or we get ready for it. And social studies is when we learn about the world. 1:45 to 2:30 is special. Special is health, infotech, PE, and art/drama.
Thank you, Liberty. Next we have Cheyenne.
What do you have there, Cheyenne?
A planner.
What do we do with the planner?
We write into the planner.
We sure do. When do we write in the planner?
When in the morning and when we leave class.
That's right. Do we write about what we learned in class? Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Cheyenne. Next, we have Zoe. Expectations.
Hello, my name is Zoe. I will be telling you about expectations and consequences. This is our class expectations. We all signed it because it is a charter and we all agreed on it. And also, like this one, do your very best.
Thank you, Zoe. Then we have
Pride.
Pride? Not pride. It's learning. Learning goals.
Almost pride. Well, anytime pride.
Hello, my name is Kayla, and I am going to talk to you about our learning goals. Our learning goals start out as objectives but turn into learning goals. These are some of them, and then they're over here and up here.
They're everywhere. We have so many goals to accomplish.
And then we have pride. Hello, my name is Reagan, does pride mean? Well, I can tell you. It means positivity, responsibility, integrity, discipline, and excellence. Dun 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 dun. Pride.
And let's see your poster. Fantastic.
And thank you.
We love your roar.
And then we have organization.
Hi, I am Benny and I'm going to show you our blue bin
Da 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 da.
and our seat set
Da 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 da.
and our plastic bin
Da 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 da.
and our desk.
What do we do with those?
We organize them.
Organize our,
Supplies.
yes.
That includes
Thank you, Brandley. And then Miss Fletcher.
Hi, I'm Miss Fletcher and welcome to school year 21-22. We're all so proud and maybe wondering about homework. Do we have homework, everybody?
Yes!
And how do we earn credit and feel good about our homework? Absolutely. And what are some examples of homework we can do?
Read.
Yes. And Amaya, what do you have there?
Multiplication.
Already? Ooh. Actually, you have the, what practice book do you have there?
Chapter 3, base facts
And relationship. It looks like a Go Math practice book. So all of you have these and your turn to the practice and homework page. So when we do that lesson in math, there's a practice page you can do. Absolutely. Any questions or comments, anybody? Are you ready for an outstanding school year?
Yeah!
As problem solvers with pride?
Yeah!
And back to our tour guides.
That concludes our open house video. Thank you.
Thank you.